What's the best time to post on your Google My Business page? Well, the question is good. However, we need to know what exactly you would like to post. If you are talking about an update on your Google My Business page, then I'm here to show you how it needs to be done. First, let's go to one business page just to see what they currently have on their page and how frequently they are posting on their page. So for posting, we normally have in mind posting an update. So let's take this HomeDex real estate as example, and let's see what they have on their page. So we can see in the overview tab that they have full information filled about their business. Now let's go to updates, and this is where we can see the posts that they are posting on their Google My Business profile page. So these are the recent updates. We can see a post, a click to learn more, and a photo. This business is actually doing this properly. They are adding a photo and a link to learn more, which is very good, as well as some information about the post. But they are not really posting very frequently. Now, the best time to post is actually morning in your time zone. So it's normally between 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. And then another good time is just right after lunchtime. So it's about 1 p.m. You would most definitely need to try these hours and see what works best for you. But from my experience, from the experience of my clients who are posting on a regular basis, you would normally want to add a new post between 9 and 10 in the morning and then around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So start adding those posts. I'd be happy to help you with letting you know what exactly to post and how to add posts, because these posts that you add here, they do expire. So you really need to use that space very wisely. I would be happy to help you with that so that your post could actually help you get more business and more clients. Get in touch with me if you need help with that. I hope this helps.